right, so here we are again live on the shop floor. Got this piece of steel here, about 3/4 of an inch thick. I've got to take this steel and make this. This excess stock will come off the back later, but the big issue here is these parts need to be flat, all right? And what's happening here with all this roughing out, they're warping on me, all right? So here's how we're going to get rid of that. So we've already roughed this out, and the finishing cutter is ready to come out now and finish the sides. And then we're going to finish the top. So what I'm going to do here, now that we've taken the majority of the stock out, this is pretty tough stuff, that's why it's warping a little bit. We're just going to loosen the vise. Okay, just loosen it. That lets the spring come out of it and tighten it. Do not hit it with a hammer and put the warp back into it, all right? Now, if it's going to spring, it has sprung. Spring has sprung, okay? And now when we face that off, it's in kind of an inert state. It's not being forced anywhere, and we'll get a nice flat part. All right, I'll show you how I check that after we're done. All right, so we're going to check the flatness on that part I just finished. And what we're going to do, I've done videos on this before, but you'll see it in real live action now, I guess. Got these 3 posts that have all been ground to the same height. And what they're going to do is isolate that plane so I can check it for flatness underneath, all right? So let's see if I can put this on here one-handed. All right, so now the part is supported by these 3 posts. Slide an indicator up under there. Okay, so we're flat within the thousands. I think we're good to go.